What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another NFT project. This one specifically is building a play to earn game in the metaverse, which is awesome, and we will get into the details in a second. Before we're gonna start with the video, I just want to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research on this project if you want to invest into it, and never invest more that you are willing to lose. So let's get into it. The project is about to mint in February. The exact date isn't announced yet, but kind of think it's end of February or around about like the 15th, 20th of February. But join the Discord to make sure that you don't miss out on the exact date. So a lot of people are gaining a lot of gains to crypto investments, especially last year with the top in November. People made hundreds of thousands of gains, and most of the people made these kind of gains because they hold it during the 5x to the 10x and then sold at the top with the 20x. And there are many of these kind of stories, so it's really crazy what kind of opportunities are there for NFTs and also for crypto in general. Story talks about a community that is living in the HODL land. They've done crazy gains and now they're just living their life, investing into yachts, beaches. So there are also other people living in the HODL land, and they don't want to see these mining factories and they don't want to see them win with the crypto gains. So if you want to look more into this story, and it's pretty good storytelling, then click on this button and you can see how the whole story evolves and what kind of background it has. So here you can see a sneak peek into this project. You can see that they have so many trades. Overall, it's over 160 trades, and they're gonna release 10,000 NFTs. One cool fact about their team is that they really care about the environment, and they want to invest their profits into planting 100,000 trees. And one fact about your project, your NFT that you will be holding, is that in the bottom left corner you can see a tree symbol and also a number. So this number resembles how many trees get planted through your minting. So if your NFT says 100 trees, then the mint or the profits of your minted NFT that gets into the bank of the owner of this project will be used for planting trees, which is awesome. You can also have like a kind of better feeling for spending your money on the Ethereum gas fees and also on this NFT, because the money will be invested into doing something good for the planet. They're also gonna release or launch one of their tokens, probably called HODL, and it will also be able to stake it in the phase 1. So that's pretty near, probably a couple of weeks after the launch. So you will be able to get percentages of gains on your NFT holdings, or of how many NFTs, how many crypto coins or tokens you're hodling. So let's get into the first phase. They want obviously to sell out their project. They're already doing pretty well with their Discord and Twitter, and the lucky mentors that have a 1-on-1 NFT will receive 1 Ethereum each as a gift. Then they will also distribute 15 Ethereum with a giveaway, and the prices will be distributed to the community members, and this will be around about like $30,000. Then they will release their token, which will be called HODL C token, and they're gonna add $100,000 into the liquidity pool, so you can also sell these tokens. So if you're staking, you will get 10 tokens per day passively. You're gonna plant their 100,000 trees, and they're gonna collab with some influencers to take their project to the next level. They're also gonna buy some land in the metaverse and release a game trailer for their game that they are about to launch in the future. And they're gonna start working on the play to earn game. So in the phase 2, they're gonna release another NFT collection, which will be called HODL. So instead of the guys, you will be able to see girls. They're gonna put another 100,000 into their liquidity pool for their token. The minters will also be able to stack their NFTs and earn passive income, $10 per day, and they will plant 100,000 trees. They will launch their alpha play to earn game in the metaverse, and they will again collab with some influencers to take their metaverse game to the next level. In the phase 3, they will launch a breeding model where you can mix your HODL and HODL to get a HODL baby, and the HODL land play to earn game beta will be launched. So here you can see the detailed phase 1 roadmap. After 10% minted, they will return the gas fees to 20 holders, 2 NFTs giveaways, will be launched for the community, and 50k will be added to the marketing fund. So as soon as people are going to mint the project, they will put more money into marketing, into influencer shoutouts. One problem with a lot of projects is that they're gonna stop advertising after they've minted because they're already sold out, and then the market price floor is just dumping all the time, and all the people that invest into the project are losing money. So it's very important that a project is always building and always doing some marketing, so there are more people getting into the project that want to invest. So they will also do a lot of giveaways that they're gonna start with winning prizes of $2,000, $10,000 of Ethereum, and a bunch of other stuff. So look into it, it's pretty interesting, and if you're lucky you can get your mint easily back. It's a quick intro on how to get into the whitelist. It's pretty easy. So you need to reach rank 5 by being active in the Discord, texting around with people, or you can get onto the rank 3 and invite 3 people into community. It's also easy, just text a couple of your friends and one of them will be easily joining the Discord. It's not a lot of work for them. And there's also like other way by boosting the server, and you will be whitelisted and you will have a safe shot on the project. So let me know what you think about this project in the comments. We'll keep you updated about other projects that we find that are still low-key that you can get into to gain a whitelist place, to make sure you can mint them and flip them for good profits. Or if you believe in the long-term vision, you can HODL like these people from the community do, or from the crypto land. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Let us know what you think about this project and which kind of project you want to see on this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.